What is up, guys? So we're gonna go to a quick little event over here at the Bremerton Airport. Not really sure how it's gonna be, but it's supposed to be an airplane and car show. So yeah, I heard it's pretty cool, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, we're gonna go with the family in the 33, and a couple things I want to show you real quick. We finally got the window tint redone. My buddy James, he owns California Tint. We rode in his GTR R33 that had like 900 horsepower. Now he's at 1300. He hooked it up with 15% window tint all around, minus the windshield. And yeah, check that out. We got the car seat in the back. That's why I like the 33. Also, I got some parts in. I'll give you a little hint what we got. Got some OEM black windshield washer spray nozzles for the hood. Mine are currently white, so which means something's gonna change here. I had a special order. It probably be about 6 weeks till we get it, but we got something coming in I'm super excited about. Let's just get it on the road. Alright guys, so we made it. There's quite a bit of cool classic cars. We'll walk around. Got a lot. But I'm actually more interested in the planes today. Biplanes and old World War II planes. We got some fueling of this biplane. Look at this thing. Yeah, the Tiger Pilot. Oh, here we go. Here's one of my ultimate favorite planes right here. P-51 Mustang. Favorite plane. This cool old Army plane. Not really the Army colors, but super cool. And a Navy plane, lumpy. Yeah, some cool mock weaponry here. Air Force. Miss Emily, old school biplane. If you never rode in a biplane, highly recommend. Did this once when I was a kid, but man, it is really cool. There's a cool old plane. Cool wing closed biplane. I'm excited about this one. This one, I don't know, it looks like an old Spitfire, and they're filling it up, so they'll probably be flying that. So we'll get some footage of that, hopefully. Alright, and of course we got to record the Corvette. As you guys know, I do want a C8. And a cool Cobra Shelby. This is a GT 500. Oh yeah. Another one of my dream cars right here. This is my living room piece, as I always say when I see one of these. Now here's a cool vehicle we want right here. Classic Bronco. Is it 72? Full restoration. What's underneath? Yeah, I sure want one of these. And of course we got Shelby's Cobra. I call it Shelby's Cobra. It's the Shelby Cobra. This thing looks so cool. Alright guys, what is up? Earlier in the video I ended it pretty shortly because I ran out of battery, but I'm going to add it on to this video because this section will be pretty quick. We're over here at the Ridge, and yeah, I guess it's Lucky Dog Racing, and we're just here to check it out, get some footage. Sadly I'm not running my car. Yeah, we'll just go up to the Sky Bridge and check it out, maybe behind the pits a little bit. We'll get one of these garages probably next track season. Yeah, so let's just have a good time. Oh, that's when you get serious into. They got live footage of the guy on the track right now, working on the cars, grinding metal. Yeah, that is pretty cool. I need to get on this level, definitely. Oh, there's a student driver sticker. Look at that. It's a big fad going on right now. Honestly, I don't get it, but it's whatever. Alright, here we go, Sky bridge, and then my infamous corner over there is where I spun out. Down there you'll see the 3 cones. That's the braking zone, and that's where I hit about 150 here, and then when I hit the cones I slowed down, and then that's where I spun out. Going for a pass. Oh, he didn't get it. Oh, is he gonna get it? Got it. So, I guess it's kind of like time attack. They're racing for the best times, or actually no, I think they said they're racing whoever gets the most laps in a certain amount of time, and that's how they go off of. But it's pretty neat because they're all racing on the track at once, so wheel to wheel. And then I think the global time attacks and stuff, that's 1 car on the track at a time per time. But it could be a little different. I haven't been to one of those yet. Yeah, pretty neat. All right, well, we made it to the top of the grandstands up the hill. Straight's down there. And here's the turn. So that one's called the carousel, if I remember right. They got a yellow flag right now because the car stopped. But that's a big, huge turn. Then you guys go around up here, and then when you come around this turn right here, it's kind of a blind because of the hill. And then you got to make sure you hit that turn good. Otherwise you can go off track if you're going pretty fast. I mean, but it's probably the most satisfying part of the track for me. And then you got the hairpin turn. Man, I'm itching to get back on here though, guys. We'll make it happen a lot more next season for sure. I might be able to hit up one more day, depending on the funds, but yeah, it's definitely a lot of fun. of these people's setups are, you can tell they really get into it. Oh, and you can smell that fuel. Yeah, maybe I'll buy a hatch and get out here. Hey, McFarland's out here. Look at that, that's where he's at, besides work. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the quick little video at the track, you know, just checking it out. Oh, little spin out. Of course, when I walk away, of course, before we go and end the video, this quick little video, we gotta check out this McLaren. Man, 570S. Okay, so this is the 570S coupe, which I like a little better than the Spider because you can see the motor probably. But Mark actually drove a Spider to the house and took me on a ride. That was pretty cool. So I'll post a picture. Thanks again, Mark. But yeah, 570S. One of these days, or some of these days, whatever, however you want to say it, one of these times I'm gonna try to get one, so wish me luck. Thanks, super cool. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it wasn't too much, but it was still fun getting out. Anyways, you guys take care. Peace.